come down my staircase and I got this light lit up here. Now, when these things die down, they get dim. I don't want to keep charging them. I got over here a light. I use it now and then. This should be plugged in. Works. And charging. So now, it's going to get a charge all day. It's going to run all night. Hey, man, I got others. I don't have to keep turning them on, changing them over. Now I'm just going to go hide my wire. All done by solar. It should go on, right? Oh, man. Not going to go on when they're plugged in. So I have to do one more modification to it. That means I have to unplug it, turn it on, plug it in now, and see if it'll work that way. There we go. Now it should work. Walk on over. It should light up. Got what I needed. Off I go. Liquid nails. Need to glue a countertop to some board that fell apart due to age. Yes, indeed. Oh, he's flying. Hey, I'm Fish. I feel like a Heinz 57 ketchup bottle again. I just give up with certain things, and maybe one person will understand exactly what I'm talking about. All right, I just deleted off the last 2 edits I made here, files. I just don't know. I guess I'm not having a good day. And the days ahead are not going to be good either. I don't like the FOV boost lens for the reasons of, why do you need anything wider than ultra wide on the camera? Add the boost lens to ultra wide. Is it going to make it booster wide? $70, man. Could have bought a mic instead. No, my gig user, I'm not picking on you because you bought an FOV boost lens. I'm just saying that, yeah, I'm in wide now, and I like shooting in standard D-warp. It's like wide. The DJI is already wide enough. It's too wide, a matter of fact. We got something that they want to compete with GoPro, so they made an FOV boost lens. How many years later? Finally? I think they're a little late to the table in doing that. I think DJI should concentrate priority one problem at a time and fix it. than releasing stuff that some people want or just waiting for it to come into stock and more. I just don't get it, DJI. You can't fix horizon balance, the gyro of it. People don't understand the video that I put out. A short thing just showing you that 4 shots are ruined because it's got that special photo movement. I forget who made that movement name. I put the camera down and I hit the start button here. So I shouldn't get one of these because I'm in subject tracking and it's tracking me in the picture underneath the light in low light. And that I am grateful that DJI did something good. But when you're using certain things like external power bank without a battery, you won't be able to use subject tracking. Why? How much power does it use? Or can DJI not get it to work at all? And the same thing goes with Super Night. And the killer is, if you use Super Night, it switches over to subject tracking. I don't know. Could that be a glitch? I look at the sky. What color do you see over there? Maybe like a purple, violet color? Bluish? No blue. And over here, you see the blue and the pale blue. And over there, it's dark, very dark. And DJI shows things totally different. It probably shows like a highlighted blue. That's probably a backlight we have in the camera that is not mentioned at all, that we cannot turn on and off a backlight. But problems we have are with, is it H-Log? Yeah, HDR. I didn't want HDR to be on in the camera all the time. Can't shut it off unless you do a couple of different things to the camera to get it off. And then your shots are not matched up. Grab my camera and let's walk on. Now I've been shooting this whole video without artificial noise reduction. Regular natural sounds with the DJI Mic 2. Now I may get myself a DJI Mic Mini standalone. And yeah, I got points. Might as well use most of the points, all the points, and make the purchase well for it. This way, down the road, I didn't spend a lot of money. I spent what I was supposed to pay for it, for a microphone, then paying a sale price still at $59. Well, like I said, I start my video off in DJI mode, video mode that is, and then I do a talk in subject tracking and finish off in Super Night. Right now, I went back to DJI mode. And yeah, did you know DJI is soon to release something out for all of us? If it's a camera, firmware, and more. People don't like gradient skies where it's got different colors, and they think it's a problem with DJI. Well, we all think there is a problem with DJI. Time for me to go get with Joe. Oh yeah, sit down and answer some of the notes. And on that note, I know who I am. I'm Fish, and I'll see you on other videos to come.